Are you tired of endless diets that just don't work? What if I told you there's a scientifically backed way to turn your body into a fat-burning machine without starving yourself? Welcome to the Ketogenic Diet. In today's video, we'll uncover how keto can help you shed those extra pounds. But beware, there are secrets and pitfalls you need to know before diving in. What is the keto diet? What exactly makes the keto diet different from every other diet out there? The ketogenic diet focuses on high fats, moderate protein, and extremely low carbohydrates. When carbs are restricted, the body enters a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of glucose. The benefits of keto diet are rapid weight loss, reduced appetite, and sustained energy levels. But how does ketosis actually work, and is it safe for everyone? How ketosis helps burn fat. What happens inside your body when you enter ketosis? The liver produces ketones from stored fat, which become the body's primary energy source. This metabolic shift increases fat-burning efficiency and minimizes insulin spikes. Imagine this as switching your body's fuel from a gas engine to an electric motor. Let me know in the comments if you've tried going into ketosis before. What was your experience like? Now, you might be wondering, what should you eat to get into this magical fat-burning state? Foods to eat on keto diet. Can you eat delicious foods while losing weight on keto? Find the list of foods that covers into keto diet. Healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds. Protein sources, eggs, chicken, beef, fish. Low-carb vegetables, broccoli, spinach, zucchini. Snacks, cheese, keto fat bombs, dark chocolate with 90% cocoa. What's your favorite keto meal? Share your recipe in the comments below. But wait, can you really avoid carbs completely? Or are there some sneaky sources of carbs to watch out for? What are mistakes that you should avoid while you are in keto diet? Why do some people fail to lose weight on keto? Let's discuss some common mistakes that people generally do. Hidden carbs. Watch out for sauces, dressings, and even keto-friendly products. Not eating enough fat. Fat is your main fuel source on keto. Skipping electrolytes. Lack of sodium, magnesium, and potassium can cause the keto flu. Have you made any of these mistakes? Don't worry, you're not alone. Now that you know what to avoid, but how long does it actually take to see results on keto? How fast can you lose weight on keto? Can keto really deliver those dramatic transformations you've seen online? Most people lose 5 to 10 pounds in the first week due to water weight. Steady fat loss follows at 1 to 2 pounds per week, depending on individual factors. Results vary based on metabolism, activity level, and adherence to the diet. Remember, every journey is unique. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. But is keto sustainable in the long run, or just a quick fix? Is keto sustainable? Can you live keto for life, or is it just a temporary solution? Many people transition to a low-carb or cyclical keto diet after hitting their goals. Sustainability depends on your ability to balance keto with occasional indulgences. Here are some tips which helps you achieve your weight loss goals. Meal prep, focus on whole foods, and plan for social events. Would you consider keto as a long-term lifestyle? Let's discuss in the comments. Finally, what are the pros and cons of keto, and is it the right choice for you? Pros and cons of keto. What are the real benefits and drawbacks of keto? Let's discuss some pros and cons of keto diet. Rapid weight loss. The ketogenic diet enables rapid weight loss by drastically reducing carbohydrate intake, prompting the body to enter ketosis. In this state, it burns stored fat for energy instead of glucose. This process, combined with reduced water retention, leads to noticeable weight loss quickly, making it an appealing choice for many. Improved mental clarity. The ketogenic diet enhances mental clarity by fueling the brain with ketones, an efficient energy source derived from fat. Unlike glucose, ketones provide steady energy, reducing brain fog and improving focus. Many people report sharper cognitive performance and increased productivity, making keto beneficial not just for the body, but also the mind. Lower blood sugar and insulin levels. The ketogenic diet helps lower blood sugar and insulin levels by significantly reducing carbohydrate intake. With fewer carbs, the body experiences less glucose in the bloodstream, requiring less insulin to process it. This stabilization benefits those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, promoting better metabolic health and energy balance. Cons. Restrictive and challenging to maintain. The ketogenic diet is highly restrictive, limiting carbs and requiring meticulous meal planning. This can make it challenging to sustain long-term, especially when faced with social situations or cravings. Possible side effects: keto flu, constipation. The ketogenic diet may cause side effects like fatigue, headaches, and nausea, commonly known as the keto flu. Long-term risks include nutrient deficiencies and potential strain on the liver or kidneys. Social limitations due to dietary restrictions. The ketogenic diet can create social limitations, as its strict carb restrictions may make dining out, attending social gatherings, or sharing meals challenging, potentially leading to feelings of isolation or inconvenience. Do the pros outweigh the cons for you? Let us know your thoughts. Now, let's wrap things up with some final tips to succeed on keto. What can you do to maximize your keto weight loss journey? Here are some tips. Stay hydrated and replenish electrolytes. Track your macros with apps like MyFitnessPal. Experiment with keto-friendly recipes to keep it interesting. Don't fear with fat. Embrace it as your main energy source. Hit that subscribe button for more weight loss tips and keto recipes. The keto diet is more than just a weight loss trend. It's a complete lifestyle shift that can help you achieve your goals and feel amazing. But it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Remember to listen to your body and consult a professional if needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.